doing?
Got a little can of gear oil here.
What are you doing up here? Go put it away.
Usually when I can't sleep at night, I get ideas.
Really?
Yeah. I got an idea that dragging this thing around and dragging it on the bottom, it wears out the body and put a hole. It's not worth it.
But you're supposed to pick it up and bring it where you.
Well, yeah, I know that. But you know what I mean.
Some people don't do that. Some people like that. Not you. Some people out there, they kick it over to the car. They drag it.
My idea is making life easier.
What are you gonna do?
That angle line, I'm basically making a square out of. It's gonna have these wheels on the bottom of it, and I'm gonna cut this piece of metal, and it's gonna be welded to my cart I'm making. And then the gear oil can is gonna slide into that. I also have a pump in the top.
You got a pump for the top?
I got the pump for the top.
Wow, okay.
You know, so it's gonna be like.
So you wheel it over to the job. You get the hose.
Exactly.
You put it in. You pump it.
That's it. Easy.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, go ahead. I'll help you out. I'll cut this piece. You cut that.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Giuseppe, how you gonna do all these crazy things if you don't have a good welder?
No, I don't have that problem. See how good you weld?
Why don't you weld this thing?
I can't. I gotta go put the valve covers on my Pontiac.
You still gotta do that?
No, I checked the package.
That was your excuse last time. Use my beautiful Lincoln machine. I'll take care of everything.
I know. That's why I got you do it.
Give me my rat hat. So you want this piece over here?
Yeah. See, this is your angle, your 90 degree.
Hold on. Let's see what we got. 3509, 61 point. Let's hope for the best.
How's it look?
Looks good, man. Looks like a little UFO, right?
That's
Look at this.
true.
Honey, I'm home. Oh no, that's the Jetsons. Aha, look at this. Now you don't have to go dragging stuff.
No. I got a question for you.
What?
Why did the chicken coop only have 2 doors? Because if I had 4, it'd be a chicken sedan. It's a UFO.
Hey!
Honey, I'm home. Oh no, that's a jet.
That's a better joke than when you had.
Pops.
Nothing smells like gear oil.
It smells so good.
Here's the little machine you made. You didn't even let it dry. It's still wet paint.
I literally painted it 2 minutes ago.
It's got the little wheels. Look at this. Oh, look at that. You got a thing?
I sure did.
Nice. Nice. Let's do it. Now the hose is in the way, isn't it? You got dirty. Alright, hit it.
I don't. Oh, there we go.
I hear something.
I was gonna.
Hey! Yeah.
There we are.
There's your gearing oil. All right. Okay, well, that's enough because now we got to put it back in. Now, here's what we're going to do. This goes in there. Here we go. Bro, forget about it. Look.
You gotta put it on the floor to test it. That's all you gotta do.
You get to bring it to the lift, you bring it to the car, drag it back, done. Taking over the world. Back up. Taking over the world.
One set of Lincoln Electric cars for gear oil at a time. Now pause. I want you to pretend like you get. No. Sorry, do it. Just do it.
Well, leave this up here.
I'm not kidding. Do it. It's funny.
Get out of here.
Yeah, do it.
I'm not drinking gear oil. Why do you
I-
think you could convince me to drink gear oil?
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.